What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Zell back again with another video, man. And as actually about the title, I'll be installing better ambient lighting. So let's get into it. Alright, so first thing first, man, let me go ahead and give y'all a rundown of everything I did so far. I already installed the lighting script right here. I installed one up here, one behind the center console, one on the radio. The other one will be going on the top of that other door panel, whatever you want to call it. So, and also I'll be connecting my power to the cigarette lighter right here, cigarette port, whatever you want to call it. This one always supplying power, so I'm gonna use this one. I could have used this one up here, but I think it would be more complex, so I'm gonna just use this one down here. Keep everything simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and get like all the, I can't even talk, man. I'm gonna go ahead and get all the scripts put up and put in position how I want them, and I'm gonna pick y'all back up when it's time to do all the installation of the wiring, however y'all want to say it. All right, let's get into it. All right, so I'm just realizing something, man. So basically what they did in this kit, they got three, since it's 6 lights, they got 3 long cords and 3 short ones. I'm not sure if that's gonna make anything harder, but the only thing that's kind of farther away from everything really is the ones on the panels on the doors. So everything should be straight. It shouldn't be too far away, and I'm wiring it from here. So actually I need to cut the car off because I'm not trying to electrocute myself. So we're gonna see. Yeah, so I'm gonna disconnect this. Trying to see how can I disconnect this. Let me see. Alright, man, I'm gonna get y'all back when I can figure out how to disconnect this cigarette port. Alright, man, so I got my power hooked up right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start installing everything or wiring everything up to where it's supposed to be at. And after that, I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. And by the time I show y'all the finished product, it's gonna be nighttime. I also got my underglow lights installed, so I'm gonna give y'all a review on that. And the underglow lights actually match up with the ambient lighting, so I'm gonna show y'all that going at the same time. Yeah, man, I'll pick it back up once I get everything done, everything put together, and I'll give y'all a review on it. Hold on, man, I know this what y'all been waiting for right here. I know this what y'all been waiting for. But man, we back. Y'all can't even see me like that. Let me do it. We back, man. Got the lights done. As y'all can see, they look pretty excellent. You know what I'm saying? All thanks to your boy Zell putting everything in right. The outside lights also match up with it. I'm gonna show y'all what that looking like paired with the inside. So I'm gonna show y'all. We got the outside doing the same thing. Let me see. Outside doing the same thing as the inside. Get that. I got to get this for a thumbnail. Anyways, y'all get the gist, man. I'm gonna give y'all a little look around. Black and white combo with the blue. I can't have this on at while driving because you know the police don't want you to have blue lights. But that's what we looking like, man. Make sure y'all go and like, comment, subscribe, man. Do all that good stuff. Y'all want to know the link? Hold on, I gotta flip my camera. Y'all want to know the link, man? Just hit me up. Let me know. More videos on the way. It's your boy Zell. I'm out, man.
And I promise I am.